The stretch of Arkansas Highway 9 between Sylamore and Melbourne offers a captivating motorcycle ride to the Ozark foothills. The turns are long and graceful. Think big, arcing curves that you can really settle into, rather than tight, technical switchbacks. They're the kind where you can carry some speed, holding a nice, steady lean angle for a while, very rhythmic and satisfying. You're constantly rolling up and down mild hills. It's not dramatic like steep mountain passes, but the terrain undulates beautifully. It's subtle enough that you feel the movement without needing to downshift all the time. A really smooth, flowing ride. When motorcyclists talk about Arkansas, the usual suspects come up first: the Pig Trail, Scenic Highway 7, and Push Mountain Road. They're all iconic for a reason, packed with hairpin curves, dramatic scenery, and a reputation that echoes across riding communities nationwide. But tucked slightly east of the most well-known routes lies a lesser-known jewel, Arkansas Highway 9. And for any motorcyclist who loves the pure rhythm of the road, Highway 9 deserves a place high on their must-ride list. Stretching from the river valley through the Ozark foothills and down into the piney woods of southern Arkansas, Highway 9 offers a long, flowing, and incredibly satisfying ride. But it's the stretch between Sylamore and Melbourne that truly shines for riders. Here, the road dances with the land. Sweeping turns curve naturally through hills and valleys, allowing motorcycles to lean gracefully from side to side while the stop-and-go rhythm of tighter technical roads. The elevation changes are gentle but constant, rolling like a perfect song rather than demanding hard braking or sharp shifting. It's a road built for flow, where the act of riding becomes smooth and almost meditative. Unlike some of Arkansas's more famous rides, Highway 9 feels quiet, remote, and personal. Traffic is sparse. Small towns like Sylamore and Melbourne welcome you with a warm, genuine simplicity. The kind of places where gas stations double as diners and the locals still wave as you pass. You won't find tourist crowds here, and that's part of its magic. It's just you, your bike, the road, and endless stretches of forested hills and farmland. The White River peeks out from time to time, a shimmering reminder of the wilderness all around you. What makes Highway 9 even more special is its versatility. It's perfect for new riders easing into longer trips, thanks to its forgiving curves and excellent pavement. Yet it's equally satisfying for experienced riders who appreciate the pure poetry of linking turn after turn, feeling the slight shifts in elevation, and carving through a landscape that feels untouched and unspoiled. In a world where many great motorcycle roads are starting to feel a little too well known, Highway 9 is still a secret worth discovering. It's a reminder of why we ride, not just for thrills, but for the connection between machine, rider, and the rolling earth beneath us. In short, if you're planning a trip to Arkansas and you're only riding the big-name highways, you're missing out. Go east. Find Highway 9. Let it remind you what a pure, soulful ride really feels like. Here is a killer day loop that links Highway 9 with some hidden gems. This will be a full but relaxed day ride, packed with scenic curves, small towns, and almost zero traffic. Starting point, Mountain View. Ride the beautiful sweeping section of Highway 9 towards Sylamore and Melbourne. Get on Highway 9 north. From Melbourne, take Highway 69 east towards Sage/Zion. This stretch is more open and faster. A great spot to relax your wrists and enjoy the countryside. Pass through tiny towns like Zion, Franklin. Super quiet, lots of farmland and forest. At Franklin, turn south onto Highway 58 toward Guyon. This is a hidden gem road, twistier, tighter curves, beautiful forest. You'll start dropping back toward the White River. Stop in Guyon and check out the old ferry crossing area by the river. From Guyon, go west on Highway 14 toward 56. Highway 14 gets more technical. Tighter curves, steeper hills, super fun riding. Ride through deep woods and little hills, passing through caves country. Near 56, you can take a short detour south onto Highway 87 to visit Blanchard Springs Caverns. Beautiful forest ride, plus incredible caverns if you want a short walk. From 56, continue on Highway 14 east to ride back into Mountain View to complete your loop. Thanks for riding with us to the end of this video. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. See you on the next ride.